and welcome back to our channel Unique Sneak Peeks and to our Europe trip. Today we are heading to one of the most magical cities in Austria, Hallstatt, and later we'll be exploring the beautiful city of Linz. To serene lake views, to mountain trams, cute cafes, and even a fairy tale village. This vlog is going to be super fun. So let's dive in. Morning everybody. We are leaving Hallstatt, though it is almost 10, but you can see the weather. There's fog, you can see the clouds come down on the trees. हमें लग रहा है हम बहुत जल्दी निकल गए, but then it's actually 10 o'clock. And we're going to have a nice time going to the Dachstein Glacier. So let us see how the glacier looks like. See you there. हमारे लिए पर्सनलाइज्ड केबल कार है
और कोई नहीं
और कोई नहीं, एक मैं हूँ और एक तू है। Good morning people. Actually it's good afternoon. We came to Dachstein Glacier which is amazingly beautiful. यहाँ से हम केबल कार से ऊपर आए. It's like on top of the mountain. जब हम माउंटेन पे चढ़ रहे थे हमें माउंटेन ही नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था. There was so much of fog. And we came here today, but sadly it's not the perfect day because there's too much of fog. It's very cloudy. So you can't see anything, but हमें यहाँ पे बर्फ़ नज़र आई, like in the month of October end. पिछले साल की बर्फ़ अभी तक पड़ी हुई है. I mean it is so damn cold over here. तो अभी हम अंदर एक रेस्टोरेंट में आ गए हैं और आकर हमने सूप ऑर्डर किया है अपने लिए. Overall, it was very nice. If you are in Hallstatt, do make a trip to Dachstein Glacier. This is for me. This is pumpkin soup. उनके पास वेजिटेरियन में खाली ये था और कुछ चिकन भी नहीं था. They had only beef stuff. So Brijesh is having a beef noodle soup and I'm having a pumpkin soup. मेरा soup बहुत interesting लग रहा है. So let's see. Pumpkin के pieces हैं and bread pieces.
pumpkin pieces and bread. Wow.
And it is amazing.
क्या बात है.
मैं तो सोच रही हूँ घर जाके भी मैं कद्दू का सूप बनाया करूँ.
घर में कौन बनाता है कद्दू का सूप, और यहाँ कद्दू का सूप पी रहे हो तुम? है
पेठा.
पेठा या कद्दू भी बोलते हैं इसको. टेस्टी.
घर जा. वेरी यम्मी, वेरी यम्मी. As it was a foggy day, we decided to head straight to our hotel in Hallstatt. The views on the way were dreamy. There are not many hotels in Hallstatt, so book your hotels in advance. Keep in mind that the rooms are very small. We've shared the hotel link in the description if you want to check it out. Once we reached and freshened up, we took a little stroll around our hotel and the views were just stunning. The next morning, our first stop was the salt mine. We got our tickets at the counter and from there the funicular took us up to the observatory. After that, Brijesh finally started his trek to the salt mine, something that he had been looking forward to.
यार अभी भी 350 मीटर पड़ा है. अच्छी खासी वॉक है और थोड़ी चढ़ाई भी है सॉल्ट माइंस के लिए। ये टनल है जो सॉल्ट माइंस में लेके जा रही है ये टनल। अगर आप क्लस्ट्रोफोबिक हो और आपको ऐसी जगहों में घबराहट होती है तो प्लीज़ आप यहाँ मत आओ, क्योंकि दिस कैन बी लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी। इसलिए प्रीति मेरे साथ में नहीं बोली मैं नहीं करूँगा यार, तुम जाके आ जाओ। तो ये जगह ऐसी डरावनी है और ऊपर से इन्होंने म्यूज़िक भी ऐसा लगा रखा है, अच्छा खासा बंदा डर जाए यार। माय गॉड यार, अच्छी खासी लंबी टनल है ये। 1733।
Brajesh has just finished his salt mine tour and we are taking the funicular back down. We walked towards the lakeside. It was peaceful, quiet, and honestly one of our favorite parts of the day. Later, we headed into the town for lunch. It took us a while to find a nice cafe, but we finally managed. One thing that I have realized here is there are very few restaurants here on Mall Start. और अगर आपको वेजिटेरियन चाहिए तो बहुत मुश्किल से मिलेगा। हाँ, लेकिन ये एक कैफ़े में हम बैठे हैं। यहाँ पर पास्ता वॉज हॉरिबल बट चिकन विंग्स वर गुड। बट अगर कुछ आपको वेजिटेरियन में चाहिए तो आपको यहाँ पर वेज नगेट्स और फलाफल मिल जाएगा। दैट इज़ रियली सरप्राइजिंग। इतना टूरिस्ट आता है यहाँ पर तो भी इन्होंने ज़्यादा रेस्टोरेंट्स नहीं खोल के रखे हुए हैं। दूसरी चीज़ यहाँ पर इस बात का ध्यान रखना कि आपके पास यूरोज़ या कोई लोकल करेंसी हो, बिकॉज सभी जगह पे क्रेडिट कार्ड्स लेते नहीं हैं। To be honest, we didn't love the food, so ice cream to the rescue. We wandered around a bit more and then went for the Hallstatt Lake cruise, which was such a relaxing way to see the town from the water. The reflections on the lake were picture perfect. After the cruise, we packed up and left for Linz. We reached Linz, checked into our hotel, and here's a quick little room tour. The link to the hotel is in the description below, and this wrapped up our day 15 of the Europe trip. We started our morning with a lavish breakfast at Cafe Central. It was such a great way to kick off the day. After breakfast, we headed to the tram station to take a ride to Postlingberg. It's a narrow gauge electric mountain tramway that connects the city center to the top of the hill.
The ride takes around 20 minutes and the tram runs every 30 minutes. Tickets cost about 6.3 euros and it's totally worth it. When we reached Postlingberg, the first thing we did was head to the observatory deck to take in some amazing bird's eye views of the Linz city. Just behind the deck, there's a church, so we decided to walk over. It's called Willering Abbey Church, and the area was so peaceful and full of greenery. Then we went down to Grottenbahn, which is basically like a little fairy tale land and also called the Dwarf City. Tickets cost about 6.3 euros and it's totally worth it. There's this Dragon Express train that takes you through it. It's super cute and we became kids for the time being. Besides that, there are a bunch of miniature city models you can check out. Great if you're into quirky little attractions. After that, we went to a cafe nearby. The desserts were amazing. And the views from the cafe made it even better. After a relaxing time on the hill, we took the tram back to the city. Our next stop was the Ars Electronica Center, which is located right on the Danube River. It's perfect for tech lovers. The place is filled with futuristic exhibits and interactive installations. After seeing this Electronica Center, we made our way to Schloss Museum, a beautiful old building which exhibits the region's history and culture.
डोंट टच, अपने प्लेन में जाके टच करना। ये देखो, ये ट्रैक्टर रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे। हमारे गांव में भी ट्रैक्टर है।
We are at Marian Dome. This is a church जिसकी घड़ियाल बिल्कुल सही चल रही है। To our hotel. इस चर्च में कहते हैं there are 633 steps to climb up and get a good view. But अब हमारे में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है। हमारा यूरोप टूर ख़त्म होने को आया है और अब टांगे जवाब दे चुकी हैं. So I don't think we'll climb up.
We ended day 16 at a cafe nearby, tired but so satisfied with everything we explored. And that's a wrap on our time in Hallstatt and Linz. From dreamy lakes to salt mines to trams and fairy tale villages, this part of our trip has been a bit of everything. Up next, we are off to a new country, Hungary. We are so excited to explore Budapest and I can't wait to take you guys along with us. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, it's adios, tata, bye bye. Love you all.